Hello, I have these pallets left over, and they are full of nails. I would like to use them as a firewood. The issue here that I would not use the chainsaw nor circular saw to cut them, as for sure it's going to ruin the blade. And beside many other projects I do have with steel cutting, where no sparks allowed, so I decided to buy the Evolution R255SMS. The price here in Finland is €345, including the VAT. And just for your information, that Evolution is not sponsored this review nor any other company. I really would recommend you to add some lubricant inside the main part connections, as it was difficult to put them together, as you will see soon. The mechanism here is that whenever the sliding bars reach to the correct point, two pins on the side will pop out and will lock the bars on place. screw that hold the blade is opening or releasing clockwise, unlike normal screws, and a slightly curved mount of the washer should be direct to outside. This blade is for steel, plastic and wood. And here I had an issue. My old miter saw stand had a slit which is not fitting the revolution screw holes, so I had to drill new places. Surprisingly, that thin metal is really hard to drill through, and maybe it's a good idea to put some protection underneath drilling. As you can hear, it's raining, and maybe I'll take a few meditation moments or hours before I put the miter saw to test. So here we are after 1.5 hours. Please make sure you wear your safety glasses, as it's going to shred the pieces of metal while cutting. Also wear your hearing protection, as I noticed that it is slightly noisier than normal wood miter saw. And this is the first test. Please also notice that the extra support for the cutting pieces, you should slide it outside if you are cutting in angles, otherwise you will take it off while cutting. This is 2 pieces of plywood came under one pallet, and they are not aligned. That's why you will see that a small part stay after cutting. and I am playing here real-time cutting to give you a full realistic review. At this side I hammered 5 nails and I went cutting slow at the beginning and then I went faster and things went very smooth. Here I'm cutting a plastic pipe. I don't think it should be a trouble for a miter saw either. I mean normal wood miter saw. And here is the first real test. It's a 4mm steel angle. And again, things went smooth. It's really cutting like a butter. With a nice surface, no heat marks at all. The next will be steel tube. And here I am cutting 3mm steel pipe at a dia of 100mm. The blade did not went all through, as it is more than what this miter saw takes, which is 80mm maximum. But I was pushing the pipe to the back support and rotate it at the same time. hope you enjoyed the review, and if you like to see more, hit the subscription button and the notification bell. I'll be busier now to cut all the wood pile. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.